Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chinenye. On today's DIY project, we'll be making this stunning and unique handbag. One interesting thing about this tutorial is that you get to make and slay your bag even if you don't have sewing machine to sew it, okay? I know some of you don't know it's possible, so keep watching to see how I achieved this. First of all, you'll be needing your pattern, and I have a detailed video on how to create this pattern on my YouTube channel, so feel free to check it out, okay? Next, use your pattern to cut out your interface. I used a very thick interface for this project because I want the bag to be well structured. I also used my utility cutter to make a tiny cut on the interface to enable it to fold easily. Okay fam, so this is an old gown of mine, so I'll be adding it to the interface. The reason is because I want the bag to have a smoother texture. Next, I cut out the fabric with the aid of our pattern and applied gum on the thick interface only. Then I placed the interface on the fabric and cut off the excess fabric. Next, I placed the interface on the leather material and traced out the pattern with a pen. Then I added about 0.5 inch folding allowance, just the way you see me do in the video. Next, carefully apply your adhesive on the leather material and place your interface, then smoothing out any form of wrinkles. Next, apply your adhesive on the edges of the interface and leather materials and fold in carefully. At this point, I suggest you watch this folding process carefully because this will determine the outcome of your bag. After folding, I go ahead to cut off the excess leather with my cutter, and I use my mallet to stabilize the adhesive. Now look at how beautiful and neat this is looking already. I suggest you try as much as you can to fold properly so that you can achieve a neat folding at the end, okay? Next, I marked where to place the bag feet or bag studs, and I opened up a tiny hole with a nail before fixing the bag studs. Guys, note that the bag studs are fixed at the base section of the bag. I hope that is clear. Here I marked and opened up where to install the accessory. This strap pattern is for the bag handle and it measures 2 inches width and 4 inches length. I used the pattern to cut out the interface and double the leather width. The idea here is to do a folding in method for the strap such that the interface won't be seen. Next, I positioned the strap at the middle of the top section of the bag and marked where to open up for the strap. So this is what the handle of this bag looks like, okay? I go ahead to fix the bag handle just like you see me do in the video. Guys, I hope you are following this tutorial to this point. You can support this channel by liking and sharing this video, and you may consider subscribing to join this amazing community, okay? After inserting the handle straps, I used glue to hold the strap in place and further used rivets to stabilize the handle. I've gone ahead to prepare our lining just the way the main piece was prepared, okay? And it's time to work on the gusset. I used the gusset pattern to cut out the gusset interface. I also cut out the leather piece for the gusset and added 0.5 inch folding allowance. Next, I applied adhesive on the pieces and fold in carefully. Here, I've cut out the gusset lining, but before I fixed the lining, I added a mini D-ring for the bag strap handle. Next, I opened up the point for installing the magnetic lock. Please note that I only installed one part of the magnetic lock. Here, I'm attaching the lining to the main piece, after which I will install the second part of the magnetic lock. Guys, did you see the trick I used to get the exact point to install the other lock? Yeah, you're welcome. It's time to fix the gusset, guys. Please watch this step carefully. It's very easy to achieve, but at the same time, it's capable of ruining your hard work, and you wouldn't want that, okay? So you have to be very, very careful at this stage. If you've gotten to this stage, go ahead and fix your gusset just like you see me doing in the video, okay? Please note that I used glue to fix the gusset. It's just glue. I'm usually excited at this stage of the project. Yeah. We are almost done. Once we are done fixing our gusset, we are done with this bag. Finally, guys, we are done with this bag. Finally, I added tassel to the hole on our accessory, and there you have it. I think we did a good job with this bag, but you know what? I don't mind if you share your opinion in the comment section so that I'll know what you think, okay? Thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope to see you again shortly. Bye!